Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here again, we meet on the fifth episode of the fifth nights of knowledge sharing with technology that we use for non-profit organization. Still with the topic of enhancing collaboration with Microsoft Teams. All praise to Allah. Thank you for the barakah, the iman, the nikmah, as we can sit here now and share our little bit knowledge. All greet to all of his messengers, and in particular the last of them all, our beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. We begin with Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tonight I will continue from the last left on the security and compliance. I think this probably is clearly that we require the security and compliance in according to our organization, especially when we working on the documents in cross department. Also, even though we are a public organization, we still have to put the security in place so that everybody in this organization not always able to see everything, spirit with its responsibilities. But in overall, we would like to share that public documents should be able to be accessed by the public, but there are obviously some documents that we are classified and related with the particular department that will easier to arrange that that's only accessible for its department members. And this is based on the roles, not based on the user, because user will change. One people not always be as one role, and it could change. So yeah, we'll show you how we manage as a general roles and permission, but as we are talking about the topic when we collaborate with the Microsoft Teams, then I will show you how it's looks like or how it's secure the documents between the different roles and users. Right, I will start from here is Microsoft 365 Admin Center, where I can manage the teams and groups. Also, each teams or group, we can manage the members. Let's say the media publication group is a group for teams, and it has a member. It has the owners and has the members. These are the members. We can add the visitors to this group, but yeah, that can be guest users from external if you want. Then the settings that or channels that we can add into the group. This will show in the Microsoft Teams channels. The general is the default one. If you don't add anything, that the general is always created as default channel. Then settings that manage the security in the Teams, where you can add team members can add channels or edit existing channels. Team members can add and edit private channels. Team member can delete channels, and the team's conversations settings allow member to edit their sent messages and allow members to delete their sent messages. And some of the other settings are like email or and the accessibility of these teams. Yeah, that's and also the file sharing. If you will allow to anyone or only people in your organization, because the teams can be accessed to you can invite external users or guests. We call it guests in Microsoft 365. That if you want to create a team meeting, you can send the invitation to external users. So that's the basic setting in the security. The related security here is if you just want to add a security group. Yeah. So you can create security group that this can have emails as well. Make a security group of some of the responsibility. So you can receive the email to this group as well, and it can be distributed to the members. You can set in the settings like membership approval or delegates, users, and then also the distribution list where you can have a distribution like if you receive the email in directors at CIDE, then everyone that is member as in this distribution list will receive the emails automatically in their email box. So that way you can always change the member within the distribution list or security group. So you don't need to worry about when someone change the role later or the next period of committee. You just need to change the user as the member of this group. So I think that's the basic of managing roles and permission. Manage in the policies. that you can, but at this stage we don't really change the basic policy from the teams. Yeah, there is no policies added to the group, but you can add later. That's that roles. Yeah, roles assignment. So this is the roles on the security. The built-in. I mean, the built-in security. That was before are the groups and also group a security or distribution list to manage the grouping and just basic permission. Then we have built-in roles in Microsoft 365, like the developers, the administrator, the billing administrator, where you can assign someone that can manage the billing into the Microsoft 365. Also a bunch of roles here for the security, network administration, password administrator, Teams administrator, that someone in this group can manage the Teams configuration of Microsoft Teams. But we should have at least one at a global admin, yeah, global administrator. So if anything happen, then this user assigned with this global administrator can handle. So that's the security. Now I'd like to show you how it looks in the Microsoft Teams. Okay, now how we can see it affect in the Microsoft Teams. Yeah, obviously you only see on the Teams and channel list are the teams that you are member of only. Yeah, you will not see the teams or group that you're not member. If the channels is private, you will not see here unless you are member of the channels. Also, if the settings is you not allowed to post it something, then you will not see the button and you'll not be able to see or access the post conversation here. User data loss prevention, that's a policy that we can configure in the policies. I will talking about the other policies that we can add after this. The roles in Teams that also impact on the how it looks like in the accessing the files. Yeah, forgot that. We have a sample here. Let's say I have a IT infrastructure file. So this only accessible to the members of these teams. So that's basically a standard permission. We can set that you only have a read-only access, or you can set as write and read permissible. And we can share this folder file or folder to the external. Let's say if you want to send this to the Teams conversation, yeah, and just typing message here and then send message, it will be it will share this folder to the group or to this group or to other user or groups. You can let's say you want to share that folder to secretary group, then all the secretary members will have that link, and then if the setting in share is only people in this organization, then every user in this organization will be able to access with that file. And if you choose this, you only share to specific people or user. Yeah. And then the other is yeah, that's the same to people of group, but then you can add or change the setting where the people that has access will be able to edit or only view. So that's probably applicable. Yeah, only view, and then apply and copy the link if you want to share the link or send to this group or users, and then send. Type the message and then send. So that's in terms of the security, in terms of the application on the folder and files. Okay, I think that's that in relation with the compliance of organization standard, the standard organization. Success stories and impact. I think I will explain much on this because we actually in the earlier adoption on this solution. So we will have a success story if we at least maybe more than 50% of the solution has been adopted in this organization. It's currently still in early stage. Fundraising project, yeah, basically the non-profit organization utilize this solution for either the volunteer management or the fundraising management, and also managing the program and the projects and their members. What's new? Okay, this is a bonus. Actually, it's not on the slide before, but today I just added. And what has been delivered from the Microsoft is how they are movement to the AI, but yeah, don't take this as hype, but yeah, basically it's hype, but there are a lot of hope as well there in relate with how we can utilize this solution in our organization. Okay, now yeah, Microsoft Copilot as your AI agents. What is the agent? Yeah, basically the agents in AI world is instance that you can ask help, that you can expect your work a lot much easier than before. And today's world, the agents can have multiple agents. Imagine that you have a lot of agents that have specialties in their own, like let's say an agent that has special trained for, in this case, because it's AI, it's trained for specific skills. Yeah, let's say administrative agents, and then you have another IT advisors agent, and then you have another help desk agent, you have another HR agent, and you have another accountant or financial advisories agents. Then you can ask your anything that they can do to help you doing your job easier. So that's that I will show you how we can utilize this in a moment. So yeah, basically this the chart, and then you can because in Microsoft 365 we have Copilot as one of the product. We can utilize that as Copilot controller, where the Copilot can control more than one agent. You can ask to Copilot, and then Copilot can ask to the agents that register to it. And yeah, that's the basically Copilot is the UI for AI in Microsoft 365. And you can use the Copilot Studio to create your agent, or you can, if that's the low code approach, where you don't need to do the coding. I will show you how to do it in a moment. But in the other part, if you want to do the pro code, Microsoft also provide the Copilot SDK, or Microsoft Agent SDK, that you can develop the agent and deploy to Copilot or other service as well. Okay, that's the Copilot. I will to show you how we go to a Copilot Studio. A bunch of agents that listed here. We have created this agent as a CID secretary assistant. I just called that because I trained this to answer if anyone that want to ask anything related with our administrative contents. Yeah, basically this I created the description. The CID Security Assistant provide accurate and up-to-date information about this organization history, constitution, policy, vision, and mission, rules, procedures. It ensures confidentiality and professionalism in all interactions. So that's just description. And this instruction how to use provide accurate and up-to-date information about this organization, blah blah blah. Yeah, be polite and professional in all interaction. This is tell the AI engine that it has to be polite in the interaction. So this is the instruction to the engine, the AI machine. Then ensure confidentiality of sensitive information. It will maintain that. It respond to the user queries promptly and efficiently. Use the edit multiple knowledge. That's the key. It's based on the skill. If we wanted to train this as administrative, then we added all the knowledge that related to the administrative works. Then use edit multiple knowledge and do not provide personal opinion. So this engine will not provide personal opinion and advice. This is analytics, and you can add more topic here as maybe goodbye, edit greeting. You can edit the greeting. So greeting will have Assalamualaikum, how I can help you today, something like that, yeah. And the goodbye, sorry, this the greeting. The goodbye will be this like khair, alhamdulillah, goodbye and salam. Yeah, this is the end conversation. So that's the other, like if you want to if the user of this agent want to do more, then it will do the other message. Okay, that's looks like the conversation. You can add more, like thank you is Wayakum, you're welcome, something like that. And so that's the topics. And then this is the key, the knowledge. Yeah, you can access from here or from the tab, the knowledge. So I trained this agent with our policies, yeah, constitutions. So IT department policies, CID constitution, yeah, and conflict of interest policies. Then I will add more and more and more. Then all the related with the administrative documents the agent can handle. So this is the test from the studio. Yeah. Hello, assalamualaikum. Blah blah blah. Cheers. And you can test like just type like you were talking with AI. See, this how it's the session started. It's greeting. Then when you asking about how to join the membership, it's reading the trade documents like the constitution, and it will pick up the answer to become a member. Ask how to join the membership. Then the agent will pick up from the document to become a member of CID Limited. Please follow these steps: eligibility, application process, submit approval, membership fee, annual membership fee from July, after July, register members. Before by following these steps, you can apply, become member. So that's the generative agent or generative AI works. So this utilize the knowledge that we feed to the engine. So that's that if you have finished editing or add more knowledge to this agent, then you can publish. So that's after you publish, you can use in anywhere in. I will to show you here in Teams. Okay, where is my? Okay, this is my Teams. Then you can see here, I already added that into my menu. If you don't see here, you can search from here. So CID Secretary Assistant. So that's that. If you search from here and then click that and add into, you can add into your left menu. Once you have that, you can just talk like when you test it. No, that's still need to train. See if the answer is the same. It's reading the documents that has. So yeah, that's even more complete this time. So that's that. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Basically, that's how you can utilize this Copilot based agent. How you can create, how you can train, and how you can utilize that for your organization. This can also be accessible externally if you want to expose this agent through the API and you want to add into the your website, because this currently only Microsoft 365 can access this directly into the Teams or into the Copilot. Copilot, I can access this also from Copilot. What is the Copilot? You can access from web-based Copilot or desktop-based Copilot. That's the same. Yeah, this is the Copilot. The Copilot is the common, and then I have CID Secretary Assistant here. And you can ask the same, do conversation the same. Yeah, how much I have to pay as member, registration fee, annual membership fee. And it's referred to the Constitution PDF document, where this is accessible to public. So yeah, basically you can train that if you want to expose this for public, then you have to train all only for the public documents. So in this case, you have to be careful how you add more knowledge to the agents. So yeah, that's how we work and utilize the AI in our organization. Okay, I think that's probably it for tonight. I think let me finish, and this is just the next step and call to action is to we need to encourage the user adoption through training. Yeah, and I'm here happy to share in hands-on if we need. We need also to continuously optimize the workflows and explore the advanced integration, see how all the works that we do to help the organization running will come all together and interact between the volunteers, the committees, in collaboration tools like Microsoft Teams. The next episodes within this series, we would like to continue with how we customize our SharePoint, and especially with the documents and the automations that we can help our committees do their jobs easier. That's it for tonight. See you on the next episode. Hope this will be benefit for us. Jazakumullah khairan kasiran. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.